Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Cadillac Escalade hood. First, find the primary hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side, near the kick panel. Give this lever a firm pull. You'll hear a click, and the hood will pop up just a little bit. This indicates the first latch has successfully disengaged, preparing it for the next step. Now, walk to the front of your Escalade. Look directly above the grille, right under the edge of the hood. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism is designed to keep the hood securely closed, even if the primary release is accidentally pulled. It's a safety feature for your protection. Once you've located the secondary latch, gently push it either to the side or lift it upwards, depending on your specific Escalade model. This action will fully release the hood's locking mechanism. With the latch disengaged, you can now easily lift the hood all the way open, giving you access to the engine compartment. To keep the hood safely open, find the prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Make sure the rod is securely seated and the hood is stable before you begin any work. This prevents the hood from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.